Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 335th episode. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Today is a very special video. We are celebrating two milestones here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Number one, recently we have reached 13,000 subscribers, woohoo! And number two, today is my 4-year anniversary here on YouTube. I am so blessed and grateful for all the support and enjoying my awesome soul food selling recipes. Thank you again, my friends, from the bottom of my heart. I'm looking forward for many more years to come here on YouTube. And now we're on to 14,000. So today we're going to celebrate with a pound cake recipe. We're going to make Southern Orange Pound Cake. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of orange flavor, simple and easy to make, and we're gonna top it with an orange soda glaze on it. This will be your go-to orange pound cake recipe. Y'all gonna fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pound cake recipes playlist for more recipes. And also check out my previous video, baked cinnamon sugar donuts. I'll also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your bundt pan, your oranges, and your orange soda sugar, because we're about to bake some orange pound cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature, and a half a cup of butter flavor shortening. And we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Remember, we need lots of sugar when making a pound cake. And we're going to cream all these together until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 6 large eggs at room temperature, 1 at a time, beating after each egg. Alright, last egg. Mix that in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, next it's time to add in our extracts. I'm using a teaspoon of pure vanilla, 2 teaspoons of pure orange extract. Now we're going to add in the zest of a medium orange, the juice of a medium orange, and orange cream Greek yogurt. Now let it come to room temperature. So now we're going to mix all this in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, now it's time for the last 2 ingredients. Over here in my bowl I have 3 cups of self-rising flour that I sifted, and 1 cup of orange soda at room temperature. We're going to alternate the 2 together, beginning and ending with flour. All right, last of the flour. Mix that in real good. All right, my friends, now we're going to add in some orange food coloring and mix this in. All right, my friends, this is what our batter look like. Look at that beautiful bright orange color. Smooth and whipped. Smells good. Love the smell of orange. All right, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into our bundt pan. We're going to pour it in the 10-inch bundt pan that I greased with cooking spray. All right, my friends, now we're going to shake it and bang it to get some of those air bubbles out. All right, now we're ready to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 55 minutes to an hour. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my pound cake out of the oven and I let it cool completely, and then I flipped it over and put it on my cake stand. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now for the final step, we're going to add in our orange glaze, which is 1/2 cups of powdered sugar that's sifted, and 2 tablespoons of orange soda and a little orange food coloring. And if it's too thin, you can add more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, you can add more orange soda. And we're just going to drizzle the glaze right on top. Ooh-wee! Orangey-licious. All right, my friends, there you have it. Orange pound cake. That looks magnificent. So now I'm going to let the glaze harden, and then I'll cut me up a slice and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate, and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and an orange slice. That looks mighty tasty. All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Oh yeah, perfect. Nice and moist. Bursting with orange goodness. And that orange icing is incredible. This reminds me of eating an orange sherbet. Please give this recipe a try. This is a vanilla bite. I'm in orange heaven. Yum-o. Orange pound cake licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.